Hi ladies! Today's video is all about empowering yourselves with knowledge that will make you a whole lot wiser and your life much easier. So let's get started. We all have used a friend's phone or a relative's computer to check Facebook but then forgotten to log out. Worry not. We will teach you a smart way to log out. All you have to do is log in from a different device and go to Settings. Click on Security and log in. It will show you all the devices you are logged in on. Choose the device and click on the 3 vertical dots and select Log Out. That's it. You're done. Have you ever eaten half a packet of chips and wanted to save the remaining half for later? Here's how you can keep chips fresh for a long time. Hold 2 ice cream sticks together. Using a hot glue gun, add a little glue to both sides of the stick. Now, place a binder clip on the glued portion and your clip is ready. This is the best natural way to get some relief from ear infections and earaches until you can make it to the doctor. Pour a cup of coarse sea salt into a cup and heat it in the microwave for a minute. Give it a mix and reheat it for 1 more minute. Pour the salt in a thick 100% cotton sock and tie a knot at the end. Salt is naturally dry and will put out moisture and infection from the ear, while the heat from the sock will relieve pain. Eating an orange before a workout is extremely helpful because this tangy fruit is rich in potassium. When you work out, you sweat a lot and potassium is lost through sweating. This puts you at a risk of getting muscle cramps. Also, oranges are 80% water, so munching on these juicy slices will make sure you're hydrated during your sweaty workout sessions. Here's an inexpensive and cheap way to whiten your teeth as white as pearl. Bananas are loaded with high amounts of magnesium, potassium, and manganese that help brighten your teeth. Rub the inside of a ripe banana peel on your teeth and let it stay on for 5 minutes and then rinse. Do this every day for 2 weeks and you will have naturally bright teeth without the use of harsh chemicals or expensive at-home treatments. So next time, when things keep tripping you up, use these hacks to simplify your world. Until next time, stay tuned, stay glamorous.